$5,300 today, trading on APP. App Lovin made a trade on this past Friday. Robinhood did well today. Gold did well today. S&P did well today. Just a lot of bullishness, man. Like this market, it really has no fear right now, and because a lot of valuations are cheap right now. A lot of companies trading at forward earnings like crazy. I saw something like Robinhood is trading at like a 237 times forward earnings, which is just insane to think about. I think like one of my most safest trades right now is definitely gold for the rest of the year. Really like going forward, like if you look at if you track like premium levels, if you're a trader and you track premium levels and option strikes, like you will see like there's not a lot of sellers when it turns to when it comes to gold. Like there's only net buyers. I mean, I just sent out some plays to the community. Want to come join the community? We got a 10-day free trial. 10-day free trial. And if you wanna level up your knowledge towards it, please come join. Come check me out. Come check us out. Be in a positive environment. But yeah, man, the investments, the trades I sent, I'm looking at adding the app Lovin. I'm looking at adding to. Hold on, y'all, 1 second. I don't want to give no false information based on like what I'm looking at. Looking at my computer, not even up yet. I'm looking at app Lovin. Adding to it, I'm looking at adding gold. Man, I'm looking at adding Costco. Costco is a nice pullback area right now. I don't just buy things just cause it's at a pullback, but I really like Costco returning. You know what I mean? Right now, we just at a point where a lot of things are bullish, and a lot of things are headed towards the upside, bro. Please give your number one. My number one. Let me give you my number one, man.
I'm afraid I couldn't find anything about that.
Let me give you my number one. I'm on TradingView right now, y'all. Hold on, give me 1 second. Appreciate y'all tapping in to the live. Yeah, I like Nvidia right now at 168. And what I was just telling my community, like a lot of people right now, they want the market to go down just because it's at all-time highs. But in reality, we have a lot of cheap valuations right now. We have a lot of upside potential. So we got rate cuts coming next week. I think the rate cut event is going to be a sell the news type of event. Like we've been trending up. It's just kind of like last year when Trump got in office and Tesla was aligning themselves with Trump and the inauguration, stuff like that. You saw Tesla going up towards the upside. But what do you see Tesla doing now? Tesla's going down. It's been trading sideways, like below the 350 level. So what's up, y'all? So I mean, right now my number one trade right now towards the end of the year is really gold, GLD. I'm from Houston, man. I'm from Houston, Texas. I live out here in Austin though, but I go back and forth. But really, like a lot of other trades I like. I like Microsoft. I'm not ready to pull the trigger on it yet. I like Palantir. I like Amazon, Tesla as well for the long term. Not too much right now. Google, definitely Google, Apple, and Spotify. Those are the stocks like this really on my watch list. And tomorrow I'm looking at executing that app Lovin, Gold, GLD, Robinhood. I'm already in 2 Robinhood positions. I'm looking to add to that position right after they got that S&P 500 boost. I'm looking at adding to Nvidia and then maybe possibly TSM, but I got to do a little bit more research. So right now, like you gotta ask yourself, like a lot of people have came to me and they'll say like, oh man, I'm only this amount of age. I'm only 25. I'm only 30 years old. I'm only 20 years old. Like, why would I start now? And I'm just like, this is the perfect time for you to start investing, because once you're 25 and then once you get up to 40, 50 years old, like you're gonna be wishing that you started investing. You're gonna be wishing that you had extra capital. So just do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor and start now. It don't have to be with me. It could be with any. It's so much knowledge. We're on YouTube. Like YouTube is the place that you go for courses. You go for learning. You go for anything that you want to learn. So if you haven't started yet, if you haven't started in crypto yet, guys, don't miss this boat. Don't make it complicated than it has to be. My 11-year-old right now is up 134%. He's up 134% on Solana. He's up 112% on Bitcoin. He started buying him Solana when Solana was at $80, right? These these coins, these stocks, they are here to stick around. They're here to stick around. And right now, you need to do yourself a service in investing into them and doing your own research, right? I get a mentor, right? It don't have to be with me. I'm not on here to sell y'all nothing. I'm on here to tell you some game and how it's helped me become financially free. But not only just that, because everybody says that, but just more awoke towards politics, awoke towards things that's going on, right? Things that's going on in the world, awoke towards being able to trade stocks and benefit off of good news and bad news, right? And to align myself and give myself a different thought process around politics. I didn't grow up with money. So like a lot of people on YouTube, like I'm just starting to post and stuff like that. I've been trading and investing for 5 years. I've been doing private equity. I have a few companies, right, in my portfolio, right? Most of my alcohol, like I didn't come from money though. Like I started off with zero. I started off with, right, like figuring it out, having a regular job, then turning and starting a business. And I haven't worked for a company since I was 19 years old, since my first internship, right? So for me, investing helped change my framework. It helped change my mindset. Like it helped change my mindset towards things. And that's, with me posting on my platform, like that's what I want to do for you guys. So, right, like investing is not like a lot of people look at investing like as a necessity. No, investing is a requirement. It's a requirement. It's not something that you can just dibble and dabble anymore. Like we have rising inflation. Stuff is not getting cheaper, y'all. Even as we cut interest rates, I don't see stuff getting cheaper. Like housing has come down a little bit because we have no buyers. You got a lot of people trying to sell their homes because they need cash right now. You got credit card debt at all-time highs right now. We got auto delinquency rates at all-time highs right now. What does that tell you? Like we are brinking on a recession. The only thing that's keeping us out of recession right now is the fact that we have all of these AI companies doing so well and the evaluations looking good, and we just gonna hope, right? Not just hope, but the research is saying that there are going to be continuous customers towards their products. Most of those customers will probably be B2B, right? But most of those covers, like, it has to funnel on down. Like, do I think it's a bubble? Absolutely. But the market isn't ready for it to realize that we're in a bubble yet. But once we do, we're gonna go down fast, y'all. But that's not where we at. So rather than sitting on my hands every single day and saying like, oh yeah, we in a bubble, I'm not gonna buy stocks right now. I'm not gonna invest. I'm not gonna buy crypto. I'm not gonna buy Bitcoin. I'm not gonna invest into things that are inflationary hedges, right? That are that protect my dollars, right? That make that forwards my generational income a little bit further, right? I'm not just gonna sit here and just sit on my hands. I'm gonna do something about it. So all that to being said, like if you haven't started investing, like you gotta start now. That, don't take it from me. That's just my opinion. But you gotta start now. And the truth of the matter is that you're already investing. Most of you, everybody probably on here that in America, in the world, like we all shop at Amazon, but why you don't own Amazon stock? So it's like you're already an investor, but you're just on the other side of it. You're on the consumer side of it, right? You're not on the buyer side of it. You're on the wrong side. You playing the wrong game. So you need to be playing the game that these hedge funds are playing. You need to be playing the game that all of these all of these banks are playing, investing into these companies. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of your youth. Take advantage of your health. Like investing is an instrument to get you further. It's a financial interest. It's a tool. So, anyways, I gave y'all my stocks for the week. I just wanted to come on live real quick. I'm gonna start coming on YouTube live a little bit more. If you want to join the community, join the community. We have a 10-day free trial. It's not a lot of other communities offering that. Come join the community. It's your boy PBS Profits. You can click the link in my bio at the main hustle trading community. 10-day free trial. Come check me out. Watch some of my long form videos. Let me know what you think. If you tapped in and you watched this live today, I appreciate you. I hope you are so blessed and aligned and everything is going on right with you. If not, come join the community. We'll pray together. We on live pretty much every day. So yeah, it's your boy PBS Profits. Appreciate you tapping in. Follow me on Instagram at PBS Profits, just like my YouTube name. Peace. Y'all be good. Till next time.